Alright, this is pretty cool. This is an infrared thermometer, and it's probably my favorite thing I've picked up in a long time. It's like $8 on AliExpress, and what it does is it lets you check temperatures by pointing and pulling the trigger here. Lights up like so, and it will tell you the temperature of things. Like my carpet is apparently 26 degrees Celsius. Fancy. Now, this is one of the more expensive things you get from China. Like I said, this is $8. You know, unlike a lot of things you get from China, which are like just a couple bucks. Like this thing here, which will let you check if there's a live wire going on here. Pretty basic. I think this costs maybe $1.25 or something, but you know, usually a lot of stuff you get from China is like very inexpensive. This one's $8, but I think it's totally worth it. I think it's easily probably my favorite thing that I've gotten from China. So let's check the temperature of a bunch of stuff. Here's the bottom of my PC. Over here tends to be the hot spot. So when this is on my lap, I feel a lot of warmth from over here. So then that looks to be about 40 degrees. And when I get a little bit lower, on the other side, closer to 30. So as you can see, I have proof that my computer is hotter on this side. Wow. And I believe if we shoot through the hole here, yeah, we can get to 43 degrees. Yeah. This is the heat center of my laptop, and this little meter can actually prove it. Yay! So I've got a bunch of single board computers going on, plugged in. I've given them maybe 5 minutes to warm up a bit. So let's check some temperatures. So we're aiming at the chip on this what's this guy here? This is the BeagleBone, and the chip's at about 40 degrees. So it should be relatively cool. The RAM is getting close to also 40 degrees. But to show that it's, you know, if we point at the LAN adapter, it's around 30. So you can definitely see a temperature change as you hover over hotter devices. Now, I'm not entirely sure that the infrared light necessarily matches, you know, where it's sensing the heat, because when I check some other devices, like which ones? Let's check over here. Let's check this guy over here. The light, when the light's touching the chip here, it's 33 degrees, but when I'm a little bit higher, it's at 39. So it looks like the sense is just a little bit below the red dot. Still, you can check the heat of things without having to touch them, but I'll touch it anyways. Yeah. 40 Celsius isn't bad. This guy's got a heavy-duty heatsink on it, but as you can see, it's already got some heat. And the chips are on the opposite side of this board, so you know, you're just getting the general thermal temperature of things. I think there's a chip right around there. Oh, I got a heatsink on that guy too. So this guy's fairly cool, but cold water. Hot water. My drink. Some leftover pizza. Water cooler water before it goes into the chiller. So it's about room temperature. All right, my window. It's a really cold day. See if I can get that. Okay, so that's the inside window. On the outside window, 1 degree. Pan's heating up. Look at that go. Let's skip the pan, go right to the burner. Hi. Oil's nice and hot, if I can get a good angle. 63, 82, 45. Pretty cool. A delicious stir fry. Yeah. nice and hot. So yeah, I'm actually really, really impressed with this. You can use this to check the temperature of pretty much everything just by pointing at it. For example, as I said, anything.